I will go shopping later.
I will go shopping later.
I might buy new clothes later.
I might buy new clothes later.
She plans to call me later.
She plans to call me later.
I will call my grandmother tomorrow.
I will call my grandmother tomorrow.
The package will arrive tomorrow.
The package will arrive tomorrow.
I cleaned my room yesterday.
I cleaned my room yesterday.
I called my parents yesterday.
I called my parents yesterday.
We went grocery shopping yesterday.
We went grocery shopping yesterday.
They're watching a new show now.
They are watching a new show now.
I am cooking dinner now.
I am cooking dinner now.
We are going on holiday next week.
We are going on holiday next week.
I will start my new job next week.
I will start my new job next week.
We will celebrate his birthday next month.
We will celebrate his birthday next month.
She wants to travel abroad next year.
She wants to travel abroad next year.
He stayed in London for a month.
He stayed in London for a month.
I practiced piano for 2 hours.
I practiced piano for 2 hours.
They rented a cottage for a week.
They rented a cottage for a week.
I haven't seen that movie yet.
I haven't seen that movie yet.
Has the train arrived yet?
Has the train arrived yet?
They haven't decided on a date yet.
They haven't decided on a date yet.
We will continue the meeting later.
We will continue the meeting later.
I'll see you again later.
I'll see you again later.
We will clean the house tomorrow.
We will clean the house tomorrow.
I'll bake fresh bread tomorrow.
I'll bake fresh bread tomorrow.
He wants to send the email tomorrow.
He wants to send the email tomorrow.
I am checking my emails now.
I am checking my emails now.
They're playing the piano now.
They are playing the piano now.
I have a doctor's appointment next month.
I have a doctor's appointment next month.
I will stay at my friend's place for a month.
I will stay at my friend's place for a month.
They want to rest for a few hours.
They want to rest for a few hours.
She practiced dancing for a week before the show.
She practiced dancing for a week before the show.
I haven't tried that recipe yet.
I haven't tried that recipe yet.
Did you finish the report yet?
Did you finish the report yet?
She hasn't opened the gift yet.
She hasn't opened the gift yet.
Let's talk about the details later.
Let's talk about the details later.
I will pick up my car tomorrow.
I will pick up my car tomorrow.
We can finish that puzzle tomorrow.
We can finish that puzzle tomorrow.
She plans to submit her work tomorrow.
She plans to submit her work tomorrow.
I am reading a book now.
I am reading a book now.
We are practicing yoga now.
We are practicing yoga now.
I have an exam next week.
I have an exam next week.
He will move to a new house next month.
He will move to a new house next month.
We plan to launch our business next year.
We plan to launch our business next year.
I will work in Spain for a month.
I will work in Spain for a month.
She stayed with her grandparents for a week.
She stayed with her grandparents for a week.
Have they called you yet?
Have they called you yet?
I'll review this document later.
I'll review this document later.
We should book the tickets later.
We should book the tickets later.
Please remind me again later.
Please remind me again later.
I'll visit the new cafe tomorrow.
I'll visit the new cafe tomorrow.